welcome back to XSP Green Monster channel. My name is Riley and today I have some exciting stuff to do. As I told you in the video on my truck, I have some exciting new stuff coming from Monster, and today one of those things arrived, so I'm going to do an unboxing of it and kind of an initial thoughts of it. This is actually a new sponsor for the truck. So recently I started working with FCK light bars as a sponsor for the truck, and the first kind of package of my order has arrived from them. So I will get into it right now. I'll tell you guys what I think and you guys can decide from there. They have worked with me very well so far and I'm excited to continue working with them. It seems like it's going to be a really exciting company to be working with for the truck. Should be getting some new light bars for it, new 30, new 50, and we just got some kind of like little smaller upgrades here for it, but yeah, I'll get right into it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up, please subscribe if you haven't already, and please leave a comment down below of a video that you guys would like to see. Alright, so here we go. This is the package I received, and like I said, this is a pretty small little thing. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I'll kind of explain what it is later in the video that I've been wanting to do for the truck. It's something that I think, you know, if I have the access to get the light bars, I might as well do it. And it'll just kind of improve the overall like theme of the truck. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, so get into this. Really fast shipping on this company too, which I'm excited about. So I'll kind of go over packaging. Everything seems very well packaged. So you get this nice plate on top. Assuming it's over the light bars, you get the light bar mounts here with an Allen key. Looks like, let's see, all the socket head cap screws for mounting a light bar and Allen head screws for going through to wherever you mount it. Looks like the brackets for these mounts are around 3/32 to 1/16 of an inch thick, maybe an 1/8 inch. It's somewhere around there. So around 3/32 inch thick, pretty solid. Some type of black coating on it. Looks very nice. We'll see if this Allen is worth it or if these bolts are worth it, but I'm assuming they are. They look like good quality bolts. Obviously, I got two mounts of that. They're both the same. So you got, oh wow. Got this whole box on top of this. And there's one of them. So these are the SS7, which is their single series 7 row. So this is their cheapest light option, I believe. And I just got the little 7-inch. I'm going to try and use these as auxiliary reverse lights on the truck. I got them in spot. So these are going to mount somewhere on the truck where I can just wire them into the reverse lights. And then they'll just turn on when I go into reverse, help light up behind the truck. Obviously, since it's walled, it can be very difficult for me to see. They feel very heavy for just being 7 inches, that's for sure. Has nice big fin on the back to help with heat dissipation. Very sleek design so it doesn't cause wind noise or anything. Threads all look good. There's some paint in there, but the threads look very nice on the inside. Is a much nicer housing than I've seen a lot of light bars I deal with have, which is nice. I mean, they look really, really nice to me. They came very well packaged, that's for sure. They have these nice cutouts in the fins for the wire to run, so I'll probably run these somewhat like that behind the truck in some fashion. We'll have to decide how I want to do this, but I'll definitely show you guys that when I get to it. And this mounting bracket here for the lens is very thick, actually. You can see it goes from there to all the way up to here, and a lot of ones I see are very thin on these, so I actually really like that. I like how fat this mounting bracket is. I will bring this up a little bit closer to camera so you guys can see one of these. Alright, so here we go. You kind of see what I was talking about. So this is 6 LEDs in a row. This is a 7-inch SS series. And this is that nice fat mounting bracket on the side that you can see where this mounts. I'm assuming that's what holds in this lens. Nice wide housing. Probably about 3-inch housing, 3.5-inch thick deep housing. Can see there's some type of engineering going on with these fins because they're all pointing very different directions. So I'm sure there's some way that this is supposed to be mounted that will help with wind noise, but I do like it. Lots of cooling back there too. You see a nice place for the wire run behind it. I really like them. They seem like very nice, high quality light bars. Alright everyone, back up. Looking at me. So these are the 2 that I got. These are going to be auxiliary reverse lights. I'm going to have to figure out how I want to mount these. I'm not quite sure yet. If I even want to do them as auxiliary reverse lights, I could figure out something cool in other places with these to mount them. But that's the plan, was to do auxiliary reverse lights. We'll see if that all works out. Obviously, I'll try and do an install video of them for you. And that is basically my review. Overall, I'm extremely impressed with packaging, with shipping on these, with just about everything. This little foam box that they shipped in is really nice. I actually really like the way they did that. That was a very good way to ship these so they won't get damaged. These all ship perfectly well. Nothing's bent on them. Yeah, I mean, this is my first impressions of this company. I haven't seen their products before, I don't think. I could have seen some of their light bars and just not noticed it, but I believe I haven't, and I really like them. They look very nice and clean. All the machining on everything is very nice. Done very well. You can see gasket coming out in some of these places. Look like they use a nice rubber gasket around all the ceilings. So yeah, I really like them. I highly recommend them. They've worked extremely well with me, and they've been around for a few years. They seem to really treat their customers with a lot of respect, and they just want to show that their light bars are good light bars on the market, and I really like what they're doing with the company. So like I said, I'm looking forward to working with these guys. I'm looking forward to show you guys the 30 and the 50 I ordered from the truck. It's going to be, those are the really big ones. I'm really excited to get those ones. These were just kind of like little extras that I got for the truck. So, as I said in the beginning, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please leave a comment down below of a video that you would like to see. And I'll see you guys in the next video.